what is octave? And so from a research scientist perspective, I battled with the conundrum of I felt obligated to learn music. I had to learn music because I felt like to truly encapsulate a phenomena as a whole, you have to embrace every facet of its enigma. So I didn't just want to understand sound from a linguistics perspective or just have a deep-seated understanding of sound from a physics perspective. What determines the amplitude? What determines the frequency? When you play a note, on an instrument, what determines amplitude? What determines frequency? What determines acceleration? I want to discuss psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. Psychoacoustics, also like to discuss later on in the video, and the physics of sound. Because I don't just study how music works.